I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. I haven't done an unboxing video in a while, and I got this package from eBay over the weekend, so I decided I'd do an unboxing video on it. The story behind this is that I received a gift card from a good friend of mine for Christmas, and while looking at the website, I came across a puzzle that looked interesting. However, the puzzle's out of stock there. So after doing a bit of looking around, I found the same puzzle on eBay for a lot less, so I ordered it. Merry Christmas! Thank you, Russ. If you hadn't sent me the gift card, I would have never found out about this puzzle. Without further ado, let's open this up. Now this is a checker cube made by Recent Toys from Meffert's. It's a 4x4 puzzle, but the object here is to make all the faces into a checkerboard pattern. I think it might be used as a Sudoku cube as well. Alright, it is time to get this out of its package. Alrighty, here we are. Let's see how this turns. This turns very nice. I'd heard some stories online that this thing was very tough to turn, but this thing turns very well. This should definitely be easy to work with, and definitely looking forward to solving it as both a checkerboard and Sudoku cube. And there we have it. The Meffert's Checker Cube. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, have a great day.